Welcome to the Data Conversion Tool training video, Create a Template. Before you can use the Data Conversion Tool to bulk load your data to Municipal DataWorks, your data must be properly formatted. There are a variety of database types that can be formatted to use with the Data Conversion Tool. Most databases can export data to an Excel file, and it is an Excel spreadsheet that is most commonly used with the Data Conversion Tool to bulk load your data to Municipal DataWorks. In this example, I will use one of the templates available from the Municipal DataWorks portal. On the portal, click the Tools tab. Select the Data Conversion template from the pick list. Select the template for the asset type you wish to bulk load. Click Open. The Data Conversion Tool works by mapping individual columns of data to Municipal DataWorks. As you can see on the template, there are several columns that can be populated. The good news is you don't need to populate every column. Only populate the columns that correspond to the data you want to save in MDW. Each row in the spreadsheet creates a new record of information in MDW. Therefore, 100 rows of data in the spreadsheet creates 99 records in MDW. The first row is the header row, which is not uploaded. A header row is not required, but I would suggest that you add a header row to your file. This will assist you when mapping your file to MDW. The bad news is there are certain formats for the data. Here are some of the formatting issues to watch for. You can leave a blank column, you cannot leave a blank row. Geometric values, such as length and width, have a precision of 3 decimal places. Some database files, when they export to Excel, they have infinite decimal places. This must be corrected before bulk loading. Area fields for meters square cannot be length times width calculated by Excel. It must be an actual value. Date fields must be in an Excel format. Month, day, year is preferred. For any value in an MDW pick list, a domain code must be used for all values in that column. In this example, asset material code, asset status code, and location status all require domain codes. Domain codes are explained in a separate video. Some domain codes are found on the worksheet within the template workbook. Before you start populating the template, here are a few tips. You can begin and input values in each row and column, one value at a time. You can copy and paste values from another spreadsheet into the appropriate column, or you don't have to do anything and use the spreadsheet that you already have and may have exported from another database file. The choice is yours as to which method you use to populate the spreadsheet. I am choosing the latter and simply rewriting the header row to correspond with the MDW attribute names. Note, the columns do not need to be in any specific order. If you are bulk loading an attribute that is not included in the master file, such as useful life in this example, the attribute must be added to MDW before bulk loading. See the Add Attribute video for information on how this is done. The last 2 points. There cannot be any totals on any of the columns. These totals must be deleted. Any row before the header row, including hidden rows, must be deleted from the file before bulk loading. If you are using the template and only use a few of the columns, the unused columns can be deleted. Once the spreadsheet is fully populated with all the data you wish to bulk load to MDW, save the file on your C drive. Thank you. The Data Conversion Tool is a product of ASI Technologies Incorporated.